Hi, this is Kyle with Rocketman Plumbing here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And we're going to talk a little bit about your boiler. If you have a boiler in your house, you usually use that usually it's hooked to baseboard heating for your house. Now, most houses have several zones for different sections of your house. You might have 2, you might have 4, you might have 8, depending on how big a house you have. What can happen? Each zone has its own thermostat. And if you're noticing there's a section of your house that just simply is colder than the rest, there's a chance that one of the zones is not opening up. There's different ways you could check this, but the best way to check this is to call a plumber, preferably Rocketman Plumbing, and we'll come out to make sure all your zones are opening up correctly, that there's no problems. And while we're there, a boiler is a closed system in that the water circulates through the whole system. And over time, that water that you're circulating through that system gets dirtier and dirtier and dirtier. So I would say at least once a year, usually at the beginning of fall, when you're wanting to start using heat, good to call a professional to come out. Number one, make sure the system's working correctly and make sure there's no leaks in the system, but also to flush it out. Flush out the dirty water, put in clean water. It will make the system run a little bit more efficiently and probably get more life out of it. Other than that, I hope you have no problems, but if you do have any plumbing problems or boiler problems, please give Rocketman Plumbing a call, and we will come out and we will do our very best to take care of all your problems. Thank you very much. Bye.